To use voice typing on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first we need to make sure that voice typing is enabled. So we're gonna go to settings and scroll down to additional settings over here. Next we're gonna open languages and input, and then we're gonna go to manage keyboard. And then we have Gboard. Now in here we have the voice typing, and of course we can turn it on. We also have the faster voice typing option, so we can turn it on as well, because why not? And now if we open anything, like for example the browser or something, you can find this microphone at the top right corner of the keyboard. So we can tap on the microphone, and if you tap here for the first time, you might need to grant some permissions, so let's choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can see over here on this search field. And sometimes when you end your sentence, you can see that the microphone can be deactivated automatically, but unfortunately in some cases you have to manually tap on the microphone. I'm still not sure why sometimes it works like that and sometimes it doesn't, but it is what it is. Subscribe to my channel.